Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cole Harbour local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to relocate, a cheap Cole Harbour moving company can be very helpful. 3 Movers offers affordable rates and dependable services. We provide the right options to make your local or long-distance move simple and quick. With the right moving services for your long-distance move, it can become super easy. We offer the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating is a tall task, and it can be very stressful. Moving is at the top of the list for big life events that can cause stress. However, when you hire us, you will deal with less stress for your long-distance move than trying to do it yourself. A Canada moving company can make your local move much easier. There are plenty of companies that can handle your move and take the heavy lifting away from you. However, the right professional movers will make a huge difference. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to make your local move simple. We know how to make your move easier and more efficient. We can take a 3-day move and turn it into a few-hour move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cole Harbour moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.